this is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. I will learn Chinese characters in this channel. So if you want to learn Chinese with me, you can subscribe my channel. Today I will learn Chinese pronunciation by card. Like this one. You know, Chinese pronunciation is called pinyin and it uses English characters but so different from English pronunciation. Is it A-O-E? Oh no, it's A-W-E in Chinese. So today we're going to learn the first 7 characters in Chinese pronunciation in Chinese way. Yeah? The first character is Open your mouth. 张大嘴巴。It's very easy, right? And second, B. Oh no, it's bo. Just like B-O, right? Bo. 菠菜 Okay, next one. This one is C. Oh, not C. It's 吃 right? 吃一只刺猬 吃 Okay, next one. This one. 的一盏台灯 的 A little similar like D, right? 的 Okay, next one. 白鹅戏水 It's not E, it's Okay, next one. It's not F, it's for. You can learn two together. For. Okay. For. Okay, last one. 歌 It's not J, it's 歌 So you can learn it together. 歌 Okay, that's it for today. Can you recite it? Okay. 波 吃 的 for 歌 Okay, Speak quickly, please. A, 波 c, d, f, g, a, 波 c, d, f, g. So let's have a quick, please. Let's examine you. It's like this one is. What's this one? What's this one, please? Right? And this one. What's it? What's it? 吃, right? This one. 波 So this one, please. 歌 Okay. This one, please. 的 Okay. This one again. Okay, first one. Okay. This one. 阿波茨德尔佛格，阿波茨德尔佛格，阿波茨德尔佛格，阿波茨德尔佛格，阿波茨德尔佛格，阿波茨德尔佛格，阿佛茨德佛格。再 a second time, please. 波德茨佛格阿Okay. Next time. 阿格佛茨德 No. Oh, sorry, it's 波 right? It's 波的 So 波 is too same as 的 You guys will not make this mistake, okay? 的波 Okay. We will make it again. 的波阿格佛茨 Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my show and subscribe it. Thank you very much. This is Natalie and see you next time. Bye bye.